I never lose my culture, no. I'm not afraid of the vulture, no. Can't say you like sulfur, no, 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 no. No lips, I will never betray the nation, no. Never give in to temptation, no. Can't afford to lose an imitation, no, 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 no. Rastafari King Selassie the first. I'm saying the champion sound, live sound, you don't know, Ray, big up yourself, Naz, you don't know, Father, you don't know, Cheyenne, you don't know. Ranger and the Ranks, this is Warwick in the Black Emperor. We have no time to waste, big bad champion, so gonna be conquered. Rastafari. Lives out the champion sound. Don't you know respect bless. Jared said that this is Warwick in the Black Emperor. I'll slap you first. Ever know? Live sound is a rap sound and a step sound. Yet still we got to hold the faith. Most I bless the mind and soul, and my heart to know with true faith we're gonna elevate. Live sound is a rap sound and a step sound. Yet still we got to hold the faith. Most I bless the mind and soul, and my heart to know with true faith we're gonna elevate. What is to be, you know it must have to be. All we got to do is work diligently. Set the goals in life and strive progressively. Slowly but surely, victory is a real living. But chop it in the highest order. Never give up, never retreat, not surrender. We sow the seeds, so we know we have to prosper. And the mountains of life must get over. But still we got to hold the faith. King Selassie bless the mind and soul, and the heart to know with true faith we're gonna elevate. Yeah, who goes and toes it? Ding 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 ding. Bang ding ding go ya ho, go ya ho. Ding 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 ding. Sound corruption, live sound I go kill them. One yard, sound corruption. Live sound, sound is our A1 sound. Sound corruption. Tell me when this thing will really end. Sound corruption is only live sound I recommend. Every day you hear sound exploding in the street. Some boys are dying. I live sound I go take them down. I live sound is a A1 sound. I live sound is the talk of the town. I live sound I go through them down. Yeah. Where's it? Whoa, man, oh yeah. This one other than the rest. This one other than the rest. No other sound can test. And no special request. Live sound and nothing but the best. Lord of mercy. Anything we do, we have to get the trophy. The trophy, we have to get the trophy. Kill our next song, we have to get the Grammy. Get the Grammy, we have to get the Grammy. Dedicate to the sound. Live sound. Dedicated to the sound we love. I know meaning of saying goodbye. Live sound the yard. And only that sound boys gone. Dying guy. Hear me tell them. Ain't no meaning of saying goodbye. Live sound a play game. And only that sound boys gone. Run away. Well tell them live sound. And you owe our sound. And everything we dream of. And we'll never do nothing to ever diss the sound. I say some wouldn't try just to keep us afloat, but later show them, let sound out go bury them again. Oh, live sound, champion sound, yeah. But dance is called tonight. And listen out of sight. People from everywhere to listen to sound bearing tonight. Live just kill them someday. Kill them tonight. Murder jump and don't make them keep up no fight.
Time for change. And change is here with Live Sound featuring Nas, Ray, Giant Father D, and the Ranks and Ranger. Well, look for some sound boy and tell him,
When a sound boy die, is live sound kill them. Always killing sound. Live sound is the roughest sound around. Live sounds here like they've been before, and you know just what I mean. Well, Ray and Nas, them gone, I leave. You play good dubs for me, leave. So take this dance of mine into your hands. You play good dubs for me, and never Ray and Nas, live sound, you play good dubs. Flatbush family, big up yourself.
Life is so short.
Yeah. Live sound, it's not too far from Gillen Town, at least not far from here. If the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the live sound don't make miracles, just to wait and see. Believe in me. Rihanna, you don't know the thing of Father. But it's not too far from Neverland, no reason to pretend. If I sung white this way, I'd show them down. Tonight will be the end. Oh, the live sound do make miracles, just to wait and see. Massive believe in the live sound of play. Oh, sailing takes me away to where I've always wanted to be. The live sound I play. Sailing with me. Pick up yourself, Gary, and as you know you are the man. It's not.
We're killing the sound tonight, yeah. Live sound, them DB boy, them bright. Live sound is killing them sound guys tonight. It's gonna be a terrible sight. So come on, everyone. Yes, come on. And witness the death of them tin pan. Cause we gonna kill them sound. And before we go forward, I live sound, I kill them sound. Now go let the whole world know.
I never know say live sound no play. Romanberg represent every day, you know. Even a live sound. When live sound play and we kill a sound boy, it hurts them so. Oh yes, it hurts them so. Yeah, when live sound play, sound boy gonna die. Run home and cry. Run back home and cry. Sound boy, and so listen to me while we say to you to kill a sound isn't hard to do. Killing sound boys isn't hard to do. They know it. After them jump on soundboard and live song, jump them song. Give me the rhythm. Shine. Bomb to them and I wanna drop watch on the man. Live song. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Live song now you are black.
eyes on you, live sound. Trying to figure out how you play. I heard them say, live sound, you're not talking down, baby. And I've just got to let them know, live sound, you are the center of attraction. You knock a son by off their feet. You fill them with selection. You say I give that son my 6 foot deep. Oh!
Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes. Listen, I go down the place. Listen, I go kick out the face. They're gonna down the place. Yes, 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 yes. Listen now. We have nothing in common, 'cause we are two different sounds. I just love when live sounds play. Sweet rub-a-dub every day. The brothers, they are getting stronger. Place by place, they are done in all the others. I don't know where this will go. Live sound, please don't take it slow. Baby face, red is my baby face. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Born free, as free as the wind blows, as free as the grass you grow, born free to follow your run. Yeah. Stay free.
Words of the mouth and meditation, giving you the positive vibration. Live sound. Rihanna's and Cheyenne, we are tell them say. And I say for sound of a try and come test you. You know say. We are the police, yeah. Because teach we have to teach a little sound boy. Mind how you run up your mouth boy. Tell you and your selector. Say if you come make we give you a lecture. Yeah, nobody tell me say you're cool, cause you know say that live sound and a fool. And if you ever come in the dance contest, you know say that live sound and go put you to rest. You know listen, the earth must listen. Every day you say your dub shine and a glisten. Talking with the scream, like time to whistle. Look like you forget all about our blessing. All the words are from we mouth and meditation and we heart. See it through your sound just like poison dart. You ever come try contest live sound. We make your sound up and run out that town. Watch it make me teach a little sound boy.
Okay, Brite Lite Promotions, Joe C. Rock Madden in the house tonight. Special guest introduction for the first time. Live Sound. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, I live. You know, Ray, as they call me. But, you know, Live Sound. Been playing since I was 14. Building since I was 14. Already know. Big things are going on.
All right, how old are you right now?
21 right now.
Okay, you're 21 right now. Live Sound, you have other selectors on the sound besides yourself?
Well, right now, it's really just me, but I'm, like, building a team.
Okay.
In the middle of building a team.
Okay, so it's basically you're building a team, and I'm saying you're trying to see who around you can help you build a sound. But as the sound's name suggests, Live Sound, it's you.
Yeah.
Okay. You say you started out at 14.
Yeah, I'm 14 years old.
I just heard a piece of music that you played, so we're gonna start off with who are your influences that from the age of 14 you started out building your sound.
Well, my main influence is my father still, because, you know, my father's an original sound man. Father originally had a sound called Magnum. 1979, Flatbush. That's where it all started. You see, music is just in the blood, man. Magnum, see, back then, it's like they had live DJing. They used to DJ live, so they wasn't really too worried about any dub plates or anything. It was just my dad and his Jamaican brethren, them, DJing live on a sound, some speakers that they had. They actually built the sound.
What was your first memory of sound?
Of sound. My first memory of sound, that would be like, boy. You see, I grew up just listening to sound. So like, from I was small, little growing up, my dad would be playing tapes, and I would always be sitting there listening, hearing what's going on. Some Addies, some Jaro, some Jack Ruby, some Stereo Mars, some old tapes.
Okay.
LP, of course.
Okay. So the influence comes from your father. Big up Magnum sound, original Flatbush sound, as you would say.
Yeah.
The influence comes from there. At the age of 14, you actually started building Live Sound?
Yeah.
Okay. What did that consist of?
Well, you see, what it was is I was online looking for a cassette from my father. And then I bucked up into a program called Pal Talk. And Pal Talk it was just magnificent still. It was amazing because it was DJs from all over the world linked up in one little chat room where you could play music, clash with 45s, dub plates, whatever it is. And the room was called Vibes Reggae Arena, so VRA short. And I started off with 45s at first, clashing with 45s, juggling them 45s. And then later on, my dad went to Don one. I didn't go the first time still, but he went and got some Ripper Johnson and I Tapa dubs, my first two artists, local, Brooklyn artists still. And then after that, we went on to some Johnny Osbourne and some big artists after that.
Okay, so big up to your father for doing that.
Yeah.
At the point in time when you went and you started getting the Johnny Osbournes and stuff like that, was it still your father's direction cutting the tune, or at that point in time did you decide what tune you want to play?
Well, at that time it was actually, we were both, when we would go through the list of songs, because it's not like just one or two tunes we would pick from an artist. Now when we go to voice an artist, we'd voice a whole list of songs. So it's like, we just have to sort it out and pick out which ones we thought were the best and also rewrite certain tunes, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so
it was more like teamwork. But my dad does know all the tunes from back in the days, all the popular ones. And, without him, we wouldn't have a lot of the foundation dubs that we would have.
okay, so again, big up to Pops, he playing a major role in the sound. When did you start stepping outside of Pal Talk, actually playing out for people to hear Live Sound?
Well, I joined in Pal Talk 09, but when I stepped out was actually 2014.
Yeah, so let's talk about 2014. What did you do in 2014 that made people start noticing Live Sound?
Well, in 2014, I promoted my own event. That was Live Sound Warrior Choice Trendsetter. Because Uprising Sound Clash, because that's when I officially thought I was ready. My box was ready to compete against other sounds.
Okay, stop right there for a minute. In 2014, you decided you wanted to step out.
Yes.
So you promoted your own clash.
Yes.
Again, Live Sound, Trendsetter, Warrior Choice.
Warrior Choice.
Okay, and let's make this straight. This was a clash.
This was a clash.
Okay. What happened at this event?
I'm sorry.
What happened at this event?
Well, this event, it was magical still. It was my first clash. It was just my first experience in front of a real live bunch of people where I'm actually clashing and it's not online. So, it was pretty crazy. That's the first time where I actually seen a big forward when I dropped my tunes. And I was like, wow. That's amazing that I can actually do this with my music and with my little speech that I have,
So you won the clash?
Yeah, I won the clash.
Okay. So moving forward, you came out the box, you promoted your own dance.
Yeah.
What did that do for your sound? Did other promoters call you for dances?
Definitely, right afterwards. But like, we didn't take any clash right afterwards, cause we're not really trying to well, I'm not really trying to play too much. Whereas the dubs are gonna start to sound stale, cause too much of anything is wrong. It's not good for you.
Okay. Okay, so promoters called you, you declined dates. Is there any other reason why you were not taking dates from
Well,
promoters right
definitely
now?
college.
Okay.
College was the big role. That big role. I had to focus on my school, cause I have to get my bachelor's. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Still working on it.
Okay, you're 21 years old, so you're actively in school right now. That comes first before the sound system. That's understandable. That's commendable. Okay. Promoters called you, you turned down these dates. What date did you take again that had people talking about Live Sound System in New York?
Well, a promoter named Monk from Queens.
Lion Roar Promotion.
Yeah,
Big
Lion
them
Roar
up.
Promotions.
Friend to the room.
He checked me for a Live Sound Super Tremor at King Ramsey. So that was two 90s sounds. Super Tremors from the 90s and Ramsey's from the 90s.
Big up to King Ramsey. Check that out on Brite Lite Promotions YouTube channel.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Ramsey.
Light. Big up the whole crew. Junior Ramsey.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so Monk called you. And this is King Ramsey, Super Tremor from the Bronx versus Liv.
Yeah.
Tell us about that dance.
Well, that dance, it was actually, it was fun, but it was challenging as well, because Super Tremor brought a whole lot of people, and like, they had their horns and everything, so it was kind of, it was nice, it was fun, it was a good experience still, but I did my thing. At the end of the day, I went there prepared, and I went there prepared to kill. I really wanted to lock them off still, because I felt like I had the ability to lock them off. But
The outcome of the dance. Did you win this dance?
yeah, I
Okay.
won the dance.
Okay. Is this is 2015?
This is 2015,
2015.
January.
Okay. Since that second win, what has been happening again for Live Sound System? Because you
Well-
have not been prominent on the scene, but people are still talking about you. What has been going on?
Well, just little radio shows and the interviews, and also the Sound Clash fraternity barbecues. Everything, all of that is just adding up, and people's hearing more and more about Liv. So, they like the dubs. They like the way I select the dubs. So it's a connection towards the fans, or I wouldn't even like to say fans. I guess supporters.
Okay. Apart from that, I actually noticed you online because you provide services for other sounds. You actually do dub plate services for other sounds. How did that come about that you are actually providing dub plates for other sounds?
Well, computers is my thing, man. So once I seen what Pro Tools was and how it all worked, I just my parents decided to get me the microphone, M-Box, Pro Tools, basic studio, clean studio, still Live Sound studio, and I just taught myself everything, man. But like, right now, it's like I'm currently being trained by Sting. I don't know if you know who Sting International is.
I know who that is.
Yeah, Sting International. So I'm actually being trained by Sting, by the ranch, trying to learn how to master songs
Okay.
and whatnot.
I noticed the photos online with you and Shaggy.
Yeah.
That would be surprising. 21 years old,
Yeah.
2 clashes under your belt, but you're making certain moves that is making people notice.
Yeah, I have to big up my brethren GC too, because brethren GC, he really hooked me up still. And big up Shaggy too.
Okay, so Live Sound Studios up and running. People can check you on Facebook for dubplate sessions. Where do you advertise your dubplate sessions? Where can people go online and find Live Sound?
Well, my dub plate sessions, I really don't like to voice for sounds because all the confusion. I usually just voice for myself still, because most of the time when I voice for sound man, it'd be a lot of runaround, a lot of confusion. So unless it's like my brethren or like someone I know who's not gonna front, you know, they just check me for my artists. Like, man, I have a good link with a lot of artists still.
Okay. And definitely through your style of playing, once again, you said you were influenced by your father. Is there any other sounds out there that you listened to growing up that you say, okay, when I start doing it?
Yeah, man, definitely. At ease, Earthrula, LP.
Okay, a lot of the New
sound.
York sounds,
Definitely.
basically. Okay, so do you have any aspirations moving into 2016 to go abroad? Are you looking at international dates? Because I heard a lot of promoters is calling you behind the scenes.
Well, yeah, I'm supposed to be going out to England later on next year, and then hopefully Norway, which is in the works. So, you know.
Okay, so big up all the promoters who's reaching out. I'm saying,
Yeah.
confirm that. Let's get that going. Live Sound definitely making noise in New York. Big up to you again. The juggling was definitely wicked.
Give thanks.
Anybody you want to shout out before we tune out?
Man, I gotta big up everybody. Everybody's gonna be watching. Gotta big up my parents. Big up the whole team Live, whole ranch, everybody, man. You know, everybody who's watching. Big up yourself, and thank you for supporting Live straight.
Okay, Brite Lite Promotions, Joe C. Rock Madden, live in the den once again. TGM Radio, King Lion Caribbean Showcase, every Monday, 4 to 7. Check that out.
Long time we a play and we a kill jump on. Run another reading, make we boast another one. Now we're in the dance hall to end our next one. 1, 2, 3, live some, come along. Kill some, jump on. You don't know where it is. Live sound will talk to you, but it's not the same. Some boy is killing you. Every time you call out our name, we're gonna murder you. Live sound, kill sound forever. And we don't take long, we don't take long. And it seems like forever. Live sound, you'll be killing some sounds, because live sound is killing you now. And it's driving you crazy, cause you can't even test me. He's killing you now. I can't wait till we get in the dance. Live sound, gonna murder your sound. So are we over now? Live sound, did you turn the page and let the story end? Live sound, did you walk away just like we never met? I hear you play some dubs and now you want to leave. But do remember, live sound is for real.
Rhythm. Go on, Liv, go on.
Ray will kill you madly and send your punk ass home in a hurry, yeah. You should run from test me. Chewy young don't think so easy. We will match you with dog faces every time. Your sound just no sound like mine. We will chop you with dog faces every time. Live sound is a friend of mine. Massive love you. Oh yes, they love you. It's a massive love you. Feeling sad and lonely.
Ranger, big up yourself, Tony Curtis represent how I say, oh, some sound boy for no stranger in the dance. We slew them all and come back alone. Yeah, Live sound. Yes. Stranger in the night. Lips on me screechy up and out your little light, boy. And we don't care about your children or your wife. 'Cause we're a stranger in the night. Lips sound, yes. Somewhere right you will. This ain't no talking thing, we gonna move and kill. And even if your sound won't fly your body hell, we're the stranger in the night. Come on, yes.
Danger, yeah. Jump and please stand back. I still my little mother frack. Still I get back. Danger, yeah. Lives to rule every town, big every crown, could never fit pan tin pan, yeah. Jump and fold back your window, try to cover, cause everything but you are dead. Live up the duff, pride the brains in your head, scramble it up like a egg. Live on it and a profound, jump on your ground. In a cemetery, jump on your dead. Hey son, you can't run, but you can't hide. From the purpose, the double cause the genocide. Son, boy, you can't run, but you can't hide. From the purpose, the double and you escalate. Hey boy, you can't run, but you can't hide. The places that you will be vaporized, yeah. To get away, you sell out and turn traitor. Leave sound on them.
Ah, boy.
And I say east and second sea, so I can trample the beast. Well, I'm say left, right, that's out as I come, and left and right, and there I come. Left and right, leave sound and come, murder, Lord. And we say here comes trouble, here comes the danger.
Ah, boy.
Leave some from them. And I say east and second sea, so I can trample the beast.
Warning.
Well, I'm say left, right, that's out as I come, and left and right, and there I come. Left and right, leave sound and come, murder, Lord. And we say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the big bad sound. You know if the artists who no live sound come feed throw them down. Lord, and we say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the big bad sound. You know if the artists who King Selassie I still wear the crown. Listen, the people them a ball, said them tired of me New York. Evil a go fall when they try in Ethiopia. Living from down for the life not easy boat ya. Even Bantan say it's not an easy road up a base. Occupy the motherland, calling our soldiers to kindly shut along from creation. Writing as a plan, chronics can't do it alone. So we recruited soldiers coming from near and far, right? With sound executed. Selassie works and the will Rastafari. Brave on and say here comes trouble, here comes the danger.
Them sound is gonna burn. That is the lead sound turn. Them sound is gonna burn. Burn them down. This is lead sound. Your sound is gonna go up. Got to go up. They're gonna go up in a flame. Lord of mercy, boy. Jump and sound is gonna go up. Got to go up. They're gonna go up in a flame. Lord of mercy, boy. We are the champion. Yes, we are the Dan. We pop a foot and then we broke off a hand.
Cheyenne, this is Robert Lee, original. Oh, you better know now. Some boy. What do you say? Come now. Sound boy, don't you linger. Come now. What do you say? Oh, you ready? Come now. Live sound of the ninja. Come now. Definitely. Cause there you go again. Talking off your face. Like you want to come play with, yeah. Point your
I beat them like button. Selassie, I live it to Lip sound say you bad all the while.
Cut it down. She will talk to that plane. Leave sound, come to execute the jump and dance. And as far as my eyes can see, I'm different enemy. Leave sound, come to kill out the jump and dance. And as far as my eyes can see, I'm different enemy.
Then you must fight the dust. Equal rights and justice, that's what it does. If you need Selassie, why you find guy? Emperor Selassie, I am guide, I am I. This Emmanuel, gone down aisle. Every knee shall bow, and every tongue shall be. And them I walk with them evil spell. Cause I'm unchangeable, yeah, I'm like one of the strange rebel. Live sound come as if on the main devil. Cause we and them not up on the same level. Again, tell them I'm unchangeable, yeah, I'm like one of the strange rebel. Yeah, we come as if on the main devil. Cause we and them not up on the same level. But I say live sound is a real naz, yeah, when a father day. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny, when I hear me. But that no say, two sounds should now go for a kiss up like no lady. Now hear me. Well, that is not right. I in at the sight of the Almighty. Now hear me. I'm from the boy, a book a man and cross live father. They go dead and buried. That's why we say again. Who got me? We know that they arms so slim. We love to see the girl every day sexy with it. Now blaze and we now give. Play that, yeah. It's the king of fire. Yo, live sound. Oh, some sound. I must say that them on them. Send them on them dead pro. Living like dogs and junk pro. Oh, dead pro. They're living like pigs and cow. Send them on them dead pro. Living like dogs and junk pro. Oh, dead pro. Them living like pigs and cow. Well, Marcus Garvey up on the edge of the wings up when the wind blows. We're not afraid of them full sound. We're not afraid of them. We're not afraid of them. We're not afraid of them. Hear that sound. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. After this lip sound, you shall surely lose it in name. You're lifelong, but you're careless with it. After this father, you don't want your name. Murderation. Lip sound, come again.
Done? Yeah. What is it? Lip sound to make you live big up and jump and caucus. Murder by purple. See that? Die guy. See that? Hey. Oh, die guy. Moving by right between the eye. You should never test the lips so say you shouldn't try. Yeah, got me with your life and lips on gonna paint your bone. You go to sing the girls, you going to the pin and all the lips send another song.
I said don't. Oh, don't. Yeah. Don't try to this live sound. Yes, tonight you're gonna get choked down. I have my rights to pick and choose. Down we live, I have nothing to lose. We are the champion, but you are the old pan. What you fail to understand, that I'm not like the other sound you met. We will break you down and leave you to fight. Live sound. Hey, me love that sound. Selassie, real nice. Boom. No devil sound, no idiot sound. Leave sound, I go throw them down. Tell them it's way. Tell me which one. Me no say leave sound at the number one. The clash is on, we have to win this your competition, hey. Hey. Tell me which one. Me no say leave sound is the champion. The clash is on, we have to win this your competition, hey. Hey. You and your idiot sound. To me you are nothing but a clown. Big sound, you know it a champion. Me no know where your idiot sound come from. And the brother correct, and all who never hear the new call. Respect is due to one another. But we do not them spreading. Claim that the sense of a planting. But I think you're rubbing the lips on begging. After your rumors of one. Hey, it'll sound boy like how you want. You don't know lips and you don't understand. You say we play it some crystal play. You should never try to imitate human spreading. But that breaking.
And the wrong stranger. Hey, Lady G representing. I want to them. Hey, what we tell them, Saria? No care when him no spread no room, I give enough respect. Live sound, a killer sound, we have to get respect. No care when him no spread no room, I give enough respect. Live sound, a killer sound, we have to get respect.
JC Large here to big up Liv. Our deepest condolences we give to all you other sons who never make it. So Naz, Lady Shy, Father D and Ray, go on, mash them up, said way. Live sound, pick them off one at a time. Live sound, hear the other sound and die. Live sound, pick them off one at a time. Yeah, live sound, watch the other sound and die. When you kill so good. Sound boy gets out of the neighborhood. Cause if you stick around, it will hunt you down.
Yeah. Sound boy, you're tired. You're tired. For the confrontation. If you kill off them sounds, they in the dance already. The boy that them should go home. Yeah, that's where they should be. Yes. They can't find a good job. No, or nothing to say. If I go murder them sounds, yeah, before night turns to day. Told us from early, we told them, somewhere you know ready, or the place, specials will give you this. Sound you shouldn't have entered. There's no way to defeat us with these dark plates. Sound boy, now you know this. That live sound is killing. It's busting up their heads. They're flopping. They're nervous. Now look how them end up dead. Now live sound is killing. It's busting up their heads. Sound boy, you're nervous, and you should go home. Yes.
What am I gonna do? Some boy die. Don't ask me why. I listen sound and make them cry. What we do? We send another sound home. Oh, 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 home, home, home. Listen, I go send them home. Yeah. We send another sound home. Oh, 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 home, home, home. Listen, I go send them home. One of them dead in the morning, two of them dead in the evening, three of them like a goddamn thief in the night. Right, right.
Burn them. Yeah man, live sound, burn all of them. I come up to kill them. Yeah. Come and say anything, but don't stamping up over rain. Yeah. Raven playing, rubber dub stand from me was 14 years old. That's why we tell them, ain't no stopping live sound now. Ain't no stopping live sound now. Kill them, Poopa Ray, me say kill them. Dust them live sound, me say dust them. Dust them give the general and make me bury them. Dumb cat in a cardboard box because we want something very special. Man can't rain as Cheyenne, Father T, and the Ram, and Ranger. Bring your Jerry on the neck back down. Lick sound is something very special. Only lick sound alone can play this one. Any sound, try to play this dead. We want something very special. Man can't rain and Cheyenne, Father T, and the Rams, and Ranger. This is Brigadier Jerry, I want to take back down. Lick sound is something very special. Lick sound is something very special. And Ray is something very special. You have some sound that come test and them a pop up them chest. Step up in a that and me say nothing no left. People jump for holler out, say Poopa Ray, you are the best. You control the east, north, south, and west. A Fupa reggae, very special. But remember, we start with the show. Daddy Ray and Mrs. Up. Remember me telling you that. You know, star. I send a ram and live for something, come for ram it. A jam and live for something, come for jam it. Cock, papa reggae, come for cock it. Bust the place, a papa reggae, come for bust it. Because I did it for the little dancer. They go to dig a walk. A big dance here, they make them cut off. The knife with the news and judge, I know it with sharp. They show the ear it a walk. Walk, walk. It's a dance in Africa. Said it's a dance in Africa. In the ghetto. In the ghetto. Again. And a old and great. Zebulon born, another little Zebulon child was born in the ghetto, again, in the ghetto, whoa, whoa, whoa. Believe me, Ray, he didn't learn how to steal, he didn't learn how to fight, he learned to play rubber duck all the time in the ghetto. Ray, down in the ghetto again, so even though real love
Give up Father D. Shire. Sing Nas and the man called Ray Ray. Sing Yes I, Brooklyn GW, Flatbush Massive Old Tide. Sing Oh 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 yeah. Whoa. I know some guy I run up the mouth. Say them are the best, but when it comes to the test, live sound, oh them are one best. Whoa, oh. So take a seat and let them take a rest. Live sound, leave it to the people to suggest. Who is the best? Who is the best in this contest? Whoa, oh. Now some guy and shut up the mouth. Live sound like I love and I shout. Cause it's the music we play. Spread east, west, north and south. Whoa, oh. Come to tell you about some guy with loud mouth who always run up their mouth, don't know what they're talking about. Oh, oh, yeah.